Hello, day 162. Two goals for today. One, that you're able to think about how to combine colors, all right, to remove or absorb unwanted colors, and then how you can solve color subtraction problems using algebra equations. So, a little warm up for you to try. Pause it, and then come on back. Okay, when you see something that's black, like this shirt, what colors are you seeing? The answer is none. It's absorbing all the wavelengths. When you see something that's white, what colors are you seeing? All the colors, all the wavelengths combined. And when you see something red, what colors aren't you seeing? Well, any wavelength that's not red. All right. So anything that's not the red wavelength, so that'd be blue, purple, yellow, green, orange, indigo, all that stuff, violet. We're going to have a quiz on Tuesday, and it'll cover these two things. And for today, it's just a little review looking at color subtraction. And so the reading is here, and the questions are here. I already have them loaded. All right. Add them loaded. They will reload. Okay. So page 422, starting with color by reflection. And so again, just thinking about like what makes things green. Think about learning in life science. And why do those things appear green? Well, that's physics. Right? What wavelengths you see, what you don't, what gets absorbed, what doesn't. And we're going to look at color by transmission, mixing pigments. So this is the algebra part. And how you can subtract colors. So the really cool thing about this for me with magenta, cyan, and yellows, I always wondered, why is it that my printer doesn't have red, green, and blue ink in it? Really, I never knew. I knew that you could add colors of light together, like with a TV, to mix right in the correct proportions to get the images that we see that has lots of different colors in it. And I knew that fancier things, fancier displays, had smaller pixels, so it looked less grainy. But I never really understood this whole idea of color subtraction. And so it's an interesting thing, and it explains why it is that we have those colors in our printers and not red, green, and blue, like you might expect. So, some interesting reading. All the reading is here. I'm sure this is going to load too. You've actually been to this document before to do some other reading about color, and now we're going to read some more pages. All right, I put this little note here at the top, and so I believe this starts at page 422, which is a couple pages down, and sometime this year before school gets out, this will load. For those of you that are wondering, yes, I closed lots of tabs, and this is how many I have left. Don't judge me too much. Oh, man. Oof. There it is. Page 422. Boom, right there. So, some of you are already there. Wonderful. So, that's where we're started. And yeah, that's it. So, hope you have a good rest of your Friday and a great weekend. It's a nice 3-day weekend. Um, and yeah, that's it. Okay. Bye bye.